Now the flakes are smaller. It's like 1 minute the flakes are big and the next minute it's melting when it hits the ground.
Well, it's going to on the sidewalks for a while.
I'll be in a minute. Oh, now they're getting big again. This is part 2 because I had to stop recording because the camera was at its maximum. And this is going to be part 2. And part 1 and up 2 of this new snowstorm here will be uploaded back to back. And oh boy, it's kicking up. Oh, this is even worse than the first one. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna stop recording here. Stay tuned for more snow videos. And please subscribe to my channel. And if at least one person views any of these videos, please share them because I don't get a lot of views or like that. So please subscribe and like. Thank you.